Hi, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Lucia Podimba Wanakale, and if you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Oh, oops, where I never again. Okay, where I nande. Oof, mwete tacho maalasa. Oh, don't worry. Oops, it's very hot here in Windhoek. Yeah, I'm just keeping myself hydrated because the heat, guys, the heat is really hitting. Okay, so let's catch up. It has been 2 weeks, I think. I'm trying to keep the consistency of this channel, just to keep it alive, because I've been gone for like over 7 months, and it really affected my growth, or our growth, but we are picking up fast. So thank you to the new subbies. We are now chasing 800 subscribers. Please do subscribe to this channel, and there for us to at least reach 1,000 subscribers by December. I know that's a lot, but it's doable. Please do subscribe, and yeah, let's get in today's video. Okay, where are my brides and grooms at? I know. Yeah, I'm back again, and this video I'm sticking with the brides and grooms, brides to be's, wannabe brides, wannabe grooms, because I'm also including the men, but mostly I love to talk to my sisters, the brides to be's, because I just share what I learned through my whole process of being a bride, or whatever. The in my nyonongo shekwango kome kulvoe ka kulunungo hesiumfukongo kuchai, do this, don't do this. Yeah, just to let's have a discussion. And I'm sorry if you don't really love this type of content, but maybe you can skip this one. But you should know by now that I do love to talk about marriage. I do love discussing topics related to weddings, marriage, family, relationships, and yeah, that is kind of my main focus. But we also discuss other things that we can catch up on next time. But for now, I'm sticking with the sisters and the brothers. So I just want us to discuss some of the things that when you are a bride or you are a groom are discouraged to do, or not do, or something. Yeah, things you are not allowed to do as a bride or as a groom, especially during those days of your wedding ceremonies. Yeah, just in mangoing you know how to go this you shouldn't do, this you shouldn't do. So depending on the culture, it depends on the culture. Obviously, I'm always sticking with my Shiwambo Kwanyama tribe, because that is my tribe, and I don't really know much about other tribes. But comment down below as well as we go along if you know of something, or maybe you do not agree with something. Yeah, so I just have 7 points that I need to discuss, that when you are a bride, you should look out for these kind of things. It's not always a must. These things are more like beliefs, but somehow they might have negative impacts on your journey, or just whatever. Because in my makutua, some of us do not believe in idil. I believe ilo umuyo korwa kini milinga or my family then in amita very milinga, but you should also just be on the lookout for some of these things when you are a bride or a groom. Number one, when you are a bride, especially that week of your wedding ceremony, we are advised to not to eat food from just random people, like not to eat just anyone's food during your wedding process. More especially ngengo wamanokucha ohango ngengo yatenikepo, mostly your hegona will take over all your meals. The meme how te kufukike noti mae, that is now your paternal side of the family. They are supposed to be the one attending to your meals, like what are you eating in the morning before you go to church, what are you eating at night, what are they serving you, what are they serving your guests over in the so moango hamkara moajano nai, so you are not really, you are always, you're supposed to be very cautious. Like you are walking around in so anyone can just give you a tambulun, so you are not supposed to be accepting equally, you could make it from anyone in the wedding, which are their family. Most ragu to a tambuli wako, because ngenga nando to apopifuna ngo pende na indise yengo vekupa nando kapakete pamagona nate onuta tambula yengo vekupa marodune. You are not really allowed to do that, because and people in the wedding should know, so it should worry you when someone is a random person moango te kupenando ka hakikulia umfugongao. It should be a warning sign to you, which I know Auntie Angelina or anything. Chashi vesisi kuchon ovo apumbuge kukarato pelikulia yate itelekwa ko kumebe mfugiki. So avoid eating food from just anyone. So you do not know what is the purpose of me kupe ololo malodu kucha tambulu nemo hekenga yaete kufugiki. And there are a lot of people you do not know why some people are there, even if they are family. So we are always warned not to eat food from random people. Number two, when you are a bride, especially a bride should not be walking around alone or just staying alone when you are a bride or you are a groom. Tolendele nichi nashipiti kweke, especially oango ngengo ya fika nando tocho toka ningwana amonpe, you need to go with nando kane keke nedulambali ilo nando toy, even you are going maybe to the toilet, if the toilets are maybe outside the house, you need to walk with someone. Brides and groom should not be walking alone. That is kind of in a culture, and I think we should also just take these things seriously, because like lately you find out which we wake up to news like Ohango Mongula, and then this bride or this groom just committed suicide. Like, how did we let it happen? Where were the people that are supposed to cater for this bride? Because as a bride, the person is going through a lot. There are a lot of thoughts you do not know. Onu tadroge nga ile mepsambolina alukamo. But the question is, even if you are going to shower, you need to be with someone. So a bride and the groom should not just be walking alone. Like I am, but they went alone. The bride or the groom can be missing, can go missing because no one knows what happened. So you always need to have someone by your side especially wango ngenga yafika unene na umfuku inapiti kwa kale ilo yaike ilotendo yaike, those kind of things not allowed. Number 3 is driving. Afuku inapiti kwa na kushinga unene ngengo yafika unene, you are not supposed to be on the steering wheel. I think this is just for safety reasons and I don't know. Yeah, so you should always have someone to drive you around. Those kind of things. It's just for safety. Nongenga to tan travel anga se distance ado delay. Do not travel alone, and if you are the one driving, at least you should be with someone. Go paying attention to your emotions, and in case abamwe ukwetengo kucha ono na concentrate amopate ilo is somewhere else, or ndishingeko, or let's take a rest here pokachopo to pikilonjira mongula. And mostly you are not supposed to be driving at night. You are out at night. Akashwana na pefimbolo ango ai attracting a spirit of diabolical evil. The devil is just waiting for that one chance to stop that wedding. So we should be really cautious. We should really be cautious with this kind of thing. So brides and grooms, you are not really allowed to drive. Opene opportunity dimwe kucha pamonu kunangie oto iko ambo pamwe toka ombo la ilo toka homborwa mal, at least akalango ulinovanu. Do not be alone, and do not be speeding or just trying to, yeah, at least be on the safe side. Yeah, that's why I'm on no vafuko esta iko ngereka no so hashingba to ange ombolo eliko stealing ali lo mfuko eliko stealing ataka ombola. There's always someone to drive them. I think it's just, but I think this one is mostly for safety. Yeah. And number 4, yeah, I think we need to take this one serious. And with our new, especially the youth, we ignore these things a lot. I think we are modernized, or maybe we are copying from other people. But growing up, I always say takutua or omfuko, you cannot entertain yourself. What do they mean? Yeah, there is this tendency of people saying be happy on your day. Yes, you can be happy, but you should also be a conservative bride or groom. Like, you should be a reserved bride. Being conservative, ukalengo omfuko eli ninipika omfuko ngo wetike kucho no mfuko. You cannot be kashiwana na uli mwango ende ove kwilinda teno kunenge bzana ongashi onuto wange ngeno isam dadana na tadana, like be done in embela wemune whatever it is. Nini mane ye dancer. I mean, I was always warned by my grandmother kucha nanti mana andelo jikata ta nisa mama tendamo. Goose was even given that task kucha nalo mbele ngani wako chini. I'm not allowed to dance. Yeah, preferably unyunywa ukangone komeso timo penangone ne DJ no so obviously me duratinha to me kuruno meme kapalini ma kuzomunangono system. But yeah, I think it's okay if you make small moves. Malo kucha, you were not supposed to be dancing at your own wedding, so maybe we should do it minimally. Ngo kucha afuko ngo enteresa ngo ya afuko ngo yelfi maneka ngo na ndeno pamuta mwimo ngo tamunye ngo tamunye ngo silipe fimano. Let me just remind you kucha motendamo ankara muna no ne in-law doe family on samane opone uliopo toninge mova dimwe dinyam hatuninge niko klaba it yeah simonikana ne fanoliwa. So yeah, you cannot entertain yourself as a bride. You are the one who is supposed to be entertained. Tashishi vangane shuli ne polupale wakalelulemo kodoesha nugaya hata mekudana na uli ali mondabo to dana ndapo ile mekukucha. But why then that people might even think pamonpe weko uli na gengo onfuko kwa monika oya alitakuilile over no tangwangwana kucha pa mumadzira dro majaponele, those kind of things. So you are not really supposed to entertain yourself. It was not allowed. And those days of mekulus and memes, when they were brides, onuna seket nandote endenga oshire okudingono kumbolo shashano adingono kanombo. It will take forever because the person is walking like a bride, a reserved bride. Not these things of on mokwa jala tiva kuli kunyatati otacha manyami kulunpana vendelu talovo vali ulibomba da okwa ingo up mokalanwa omfukwim isekenena ilo omfuko mwini nipiki na khona ndengeno unashwala. You don't shout like you call whoever is close to you then that is how you were supposed to behave as a bride. Like you do not shout or you do not, yeah, you have to keep it on the down low. But we love the new century, but we should also just not disregard what the old way of doing things. Na tukalengo pa modernizer mala na tu kalengo pa kwa tela pali no surura kalokucha onungengo umfuko iki. Yeah, so I'm putting it out there. Number 5, otuna nengo didea mo ngoti technology, yeah, social media ngengo umfuko inopo mwana wapumwa kukatingo communication ato do mengo di. What do I mean? You cannot be a bride or a groom on your wedding day though you are just on the phone. You don't know. There's a lot happening. Imagine you are in church, then you go on a gossip page. Maybe your husband or your wife is there. Ilo peneike umate leleke that very chance kudengele to tell you bad news on your day just to ruin it. So as a bride or a groom, you are supposed to have, obviously they're supposed to be in possession of your phone. They are supposed to answer and take a message. Teifikifa ngengo ya pumba kufikifa paka fimbopo or ask around kucha narambo hapo shimashilinga because itodu kala ulimongo jeke mfuko todulu ku damu ini maimino pumba ku dapo ndo shimata shinyono ukile. So communication, social media ngashine peso tangene fuko ne tune indane tatetu no ko ikanjile ko sharing ngane ufota rangewe account ndali ango amama ufuko imanga na t-shirt ngwango ku kingumbio eno sonoso inopumwana na kukaluli mongo jano nginge especially manga ina momano aidupata sashi mongo jomo totulu kutumina muikelelifu. Let's just put it out there, the totulu kutumina muikelelifu. So kutu anohono angwi heishu na monima ngengo pea nandesa tadru kushikuoleka ulimo wango mboliano taalili vamwe. But yeah, then toka omborwa yeso toke dudana ndokuli pamwe mwaja kwa alutali kuchopenesa mo family mara ngenguli mangodini mane yape poike waiko wote nale kucha LIP o to mona nalo ka status akaturwako. It can also ruin your day. Maybe you can break wango pamwete ikakali na yali gomeso ini mafapo. So mfuko inopumbwana na kukaluli mongodi, especially afiko wango ongode apumbwa kala elimo possession unene yashimumbisa kula to take messages and handle vendors and yeah, just for you to also avoid the stress. Shashi nini mayo toka nae mweke na the message ayo tenda acha for muda ruining ngasi no concentrate alike fikulo shashi ne frustration at the event no ini mayo apumbwa we passing over to ingumbi to shingumbi wa akula. You need to trust that person to handle ini maisha yete ku informa ngengo shima shoku todruku siendeli ngape fimbolo unwango. Number 6, this one is a must. It's an obvious thing. If you are a bride or you are a groom, you cannot just dress inappropriately. What do I mean? Upeno mi jalo ngwedito unakujala pe fimbolo umfuko. Kesho umwewe tengo kucha umfuko. I remember sinda yako Koambo for the last time shitwa Kaombola. I traveled with my husband ta pitikenge kondobe ndirima jina pajama njila mos. The first thing me kuruango ngosheka nale kucha jina oshikanda sha hunina tojalo jina manga ilombulu kwa yasha mfuko ikutu tajala delela noso todu kala mfuko anga afika mongulande wetike ko linando me minisketa pipala no serelishwa kuchano yeah mfuko otoshima meke kucho ngwatale meyango diapu wete ngokucho onu akali kunele miku peya delela ilome ngashi ngengo watam oya popo inda penya onda ngashi never mwetuna mekulu is always on my neck okujeke fikundonda ngenge jima mumbwanwa nandikalenda jalo oshke odelela nonjeva nujua ya kucha no uka dolpa yeah you get over it basically. So being a bride or a groom, you cannot just dress however you wish. You need to go look like a bride. You have even a guy to do a kalau ulimefa biari do tombola unango ku jalangashi onita dikum kumat yeah. No ho ngeta vya mumbo vyote ngokucha so ano tayane kwango they should be able to tell kucha here is the bride or here comes the groom. You cannot just be whole mood topa voilo mu miniskirt avoya no fuck yeah, just saying yeah. And another point, when you are a bride or you are a groom, you are not allowed to cater yourself. Self-catering is not for you. What do I mean? Yeah, poneta pea el malala kan maukalo no ni ngumbi. Ingumbi is not just there for ingumbi before pita ko kuchanu venya hair va aningo makeup va jalo no so. Eso alola no vovo is for them to cater to you, to hold you, to be your helping hand, because you are not allowed to cater yourself. What does it mean? You cannot be serving yourself food. Unakwe terui kuja. Gengo toki kosho unakulomgera kucha. Kantina kongelingo mea, they bring the water to you kosho. Because they are supposed to be the one carrying your stuff. Takutoa ito du kala umfukonde. Ovalu lipomafia to sakala to kanjene komeo mwene. It's not allowed. That's why you have all these ladies by your side. They are not supposed to be there just for makeup. They are supposed to cater for you. Bumbati ni mawenga si ngalo de pamonti ovapumbo vegetambule ovapumbo vegetutile mumbo. Yeah, bride and groom, you cannot cater yourself. Fieko toi ngono kanja mati peno nkalo hotiritingwa kuchon mo mfuko peterwa ikulia kuchotoka lilapen nguchi mafikungo uli mamangino ningo mafioe as a bride havali takutwa no mborwa mina kateleka we amweke ongela unangona pa okalila kucha talele nyofuko kondu mea kondu dakweli ngifane nyo yale ikuli aturwa munyango fione we apopo indayo kucha wango ya kukane na nigeno mafiae tatamegene ku to cater for themselves. So yeah, princess treatment when you are a bride, you are not supposed to be the one value. Let me just say oka kudrang if you are tambuli nando oka kudrang have vali toka tula geshi kufa ko Spanish so pepe shimumzo asa mana tuli lenko na te ko Spanish so you are a bride, you are not supposed to be udali popo mafia we sikupsa ovano ve kondo ngela ukadona kenano sipute sasa they come back tomorrow for their bride aya no kwapsa kwa itaningishikeske they can maybe say hey natu alo shingudo natu alo mapsa so kwa ita to ndawe no so that's why you are not allowed to do all these things, so you cannot cater for yourself. Okay, brides and grooms. I'm always saying bride, but maybe I love speaking to the sisters, but gentlemen as well. Do they even watch YouTube? Those are just some of the points that I learned throughout my wedding process, especially mangongo sekwenya omekulu ucha inocha inuingida ino monikato pendo mofiku those jale kengashwala. Those are some of the things that we should also just revert back to the cultures and behave like conservative brides. When you are a conservative, you are mindful, you are demure. There is this whole demure thing that is going on. So you need to be very mindful, very demure. I don't even know what that means. Like you are a reserved person. You are in that process of transforming from a girl to a woman, so you should behave certain ways, and yeah, those kind of things. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to this channel. On this channel will pop up from time to time, and we discuss this kind of topics just to educate each other. It's not to shame or to harm anyone, just to educate each other and learn from each other, and just share ideas and be better people and do better things. One day we will not know these things, so it's better when we engage each other and then we learn from each other. And we are also gonna be mothers and fathers one day, and our parents will not be here, so we should be able to lead our kids. We should be able to tell Faith, no, Faith, you cannot do this. Yeah, no, you cannot do this. Or you can go, yeah. Kalango una uelele kucho shuambo slingonga. Not just we are modern. Yeah, it's good to be modern, but we should also not disregard the culture, because it's very important. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in some other videos. I'll be back soon. Ciao.